Gillian Welch, Everything is Free, with Dave Rawlings, her partner. 2 guitar attack. I'm just kind of doing like an alternating bass thing. It was kind of like picking the chord, but you could also like finger pick. What you want to do is finger pick the with your thumb, play the 2 bass notes. So like this is the A minor 7, so we're going to play the A string and the D string as the 2 bass notes. So A, D, A, pick, D, pick, A, pick, D, pick. Then it goes to C. Still playing the A and the D strings. Then when we go to G, we go. I'm playing actually the E and the D string, but you could play the E and the A as well. It doesn't matter. It's your choice. D, just 4 chords. Someone hit the big time, give it away. Everything's free now. We're gonna do it anyway, even if it doesn't pay. Capo on the 5th fret, and we're gonna something like that. I don't have a pick because I lost them all. You know, it's better just to play the rhythm steady, and you know, once you get a better handle on it, then you can do the walk up later. Practice it for like a half hour while you're watching TV or something. Just play it over and over, and you should be able to get it. Thanks for watching. Have fun. Bye.